Friends, today I am presenting an activity about friction is caused by the irregularities on different surfaces in contact. Now I am making an inclined plane on smooth surface. I have three different surfaces for this activity. Number one, smooth surface, second one, cloth surface, and finally sand surface. Let us see how much distance covered by this pencil shell on smooth surface. Now I am measuring the distance covered by the cell. After the measurement, 110 cm is covered by the cell. Distance covered by the cell is 51 cm on cloth. Distance covered on sand 27 cm. Friends, in this activity what we understand? Smooth surface covered 110 centimeters. Cloth surface covered 51 centimeters. Sand surface covered 27 centimeters. Friends, finally we understand friction is caused by the irregularities on different surfaces in contact. Thank you.